To make a quick vegan chocolate frosting, you're going to want to use 8 ounces of vegan butter, 3.5 ounces of coconut milk, and to that we're going to add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is a special dark Dutch processed cocoa powder. You can use any type of Dutch processed cocoa powder. And I like to add it to my liquid because it kind of helps activate the cocoa powder. It also helps keep it from flying all over your kitchen. So I'll just whisk that in. You can see my coconut milk has absorbed that. And I'm going to go ahead and add some vanilla bean paste. You're going to want about a half a teaspoon or more if you really like vanilla bean paste. I'm also going to add a half of a teaspoon of instant espresso powder. So I'm going to go ahead and add that into my butter. And I'm going to mix that in. You want to stop every once in a while, scrape down so that your butter and the cocoa powder and the coconut milk all incorporates. Now I'm going to add a cup of powdered sugar. And a second cup. Stop, scrape, and I'm just going to keep adding cocoa powder or powdered sugar until I get it to the consistency that I want it. If it gets too thick, I can thin it out with a little more coconut milk or some water. Just want to do it until it's nice and smooth. Make sure all that butter gets incorporated too. Just want it to be nice and smooth, and that looks pretty darn good. Perfect. 3 cups approximately of powdered sugar is what you'll need to 8 ounces of vegan butter and 3.5 ounces of the coconut milk. And there you have a delicious vegan frosting.